So XS is a short way of saying excess. What will happen next? Well, what has to happen? HCl is an acid. What do acids do? Well, there's only one thing they can do. They can protonate. Who do they protonate? Bases. What makes me a base? Having a lone pair or a pi pair. And proton transfer is the fastest and therefore first reaction in organic chemistry. So we're going to have an equilibrium, we're going to lose chloride, and we're going to generate another oxonium ion. Okay? That in no way looks different from what I did the first time. The only difference is that instead of having the ether attack the HCl, this is now the alcohol attacking the HCl. Does it make a difference? No. Because it's the lone pair of electrons in the O that's doing the attack. Here and there. I lost chloride, I made the oxonium ion. The O attacks the H, I make my oxonium ion, I lose chloride. What happens next? Well, I need to make a carbon-chlorine bond. How would I do that? I could break the carbon O bond first and lose water. But if I do that, I make the impossible primary carbocation. Can't do that. So instead, I'm going to do a concerted process. I'm going to have the chloride attack the alpha carbon and break the CO bond at the same time. And what that gives me is the chloro product, and I'm going to lose H2O. And that gives me both of my products in the reaction. Okay? Okay. So that is a reasonable start to curved-Dower mechanisms. I will stop here, but I will also post some more examples of curved-Dower mechanisms for you guys to look at. And we've talked a little bit about how these reactions go, the logic of curved-Dower mechanisms, with the idea of looking at the product as to get a sense of how these things are happening. I will share with you that in Organic 1, the task is to introduce you to the concept of curved-Dower mechanisms, the logic of curved-Dower mechanisms. For you to get a taste of it, a rudimentary understanding of it. And it will not evolve further than that in this class. Organic 2, a full third of it, deals with organic mechanisms. So you really want, in this course, to wrap your head around what is happening in a mechanism, to understand why and how electrons move. What is a reasonable reaction mechanism? As I said, I will post 2 more videos on this topic for you to practice. And I cannot stress enough how much practice is important. In a sense, this is like math. Practice makes you better. So we'll give some examples of it. I will post a worksheet on this as well. And we'll go from there. Thank you. I'll see you guys in class next.